What the heck? What the heck? Okay.
Hey, puppy. Come here. Hey, come here.
Now you're not camera shy anymore.
Oh. Don't eat the grass, puppy. You don't eat the grass.
That makes him sick. If he eats the grass, he's eating.
You don't eat the grass. Don't eat the grass. Howie, don't fight.
Do you want to trim this?
Yes, I'm going to cut her face off.
Oh god. Oh wow.
Trim your face.
Oh god. What the heck? It's coming back! We have
Trim your face.
I know, right? You open it, don't slam it.
Oh. Just kidding, I knew that.
Oh, you never knew that. Yeah, you never knew that.
I'm just getting the mud off. I'm not stupid.
Oh, you could just do that too. Close it. Just keep on closing it. Tuffy,
Give
walk
me my dog leash. I have 2 dogs. I'm gonna go get my other dog.
Here you go.
Can I wipe your seat? Can I wipe your tail? No.
Let's get him out of the picture. Let's get him out of the picture. Let me go get my other dog.
Okay. We have technical business, so please hold. Boom. 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 Please listen to this music. Boom. 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 Boom.
Matthew, look at this, Matthew.
Boom. 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 I heard that.
Matthew, take a video of this. Take a video.
Let me see. Hold on, do it again.
We're not there. I just said that.